The juice we are going to make, it's going to be a juice that I don't drink often. I don't like to drink a lot of acids because of my stomach, but I had 2 oranges, I had a lime, and I had an apple. So I'm going to use this as a treat. So this will probably make 1 container of juice, and I'll be able to have a little bit, maybe over the weekend. I don't know, but I'm going to save that as a special treat for me, and then I'll see how my stomach does. But again, it's easy. Oh, you know what I forgot? My ginger. I have to put some ginger in it too, because I'm addicted to ginger. I love ginger. You can leave it out if you don't like it. And if you don't have a lime, use a lemon. It's just as good. I'm using a green apple, but if you have red apples, use red apples. It's just as good. All right, let's go make it. So here we have our delicious orange, apple, ginger, and lime drink. And I have, this is one of my last 2 jars, so I think this is going to be it. I initially was going to go ahead and make my swamp juice, but I think that's going to have to keep for now because I'm running out of containers. But let's see. That's a nice pour. Look at that. That is perfect. And then this is the pulp content. Think about how you could repurpose this. It's just, you know, your oranges, your apples. If you don't want to repurpose this, if you can't think about how you could do that, make sure to put it in your composter. All right? And this one, frankly, I need to taste this right now. That is so darn good, you guys. Super, super delicious. This is going to be my special treat. I'll see how it works on my stomach. Look at that. We have a lot of juice.